Self-check-in and out. The owner is easy to talk on. At first the building looks creepy since it was under development plus the elevator, smiley face emoji, but upon entering the room it was nice, aesthetic. The only tip maybe add some utensils and check some lights to fix. But all around this one is recommended. Exceptional. I enjoyed our stay in this unit. Although the condo building itself is a bit creepy because it is still an unfinished building and is still under construction, but the unit itself is already very cozy and good for a few days of stay since we booked only for a place to stay for a wedding that we will be attending to nearby. The location is great. Parking is good. Although, the internet is really not fast. Smile. But if you have your own Wi-Fi, signal is good in the area. Smile. Excellent. We booked to this condo because it is near to my family's place. About the aircon is not so cold but it's okay. The place is near to Rob Place Antipolo, church and to the market, and lastly it is affordable too. One night stay. Maganda Kitchen Island, issue LNG Young Elevator my disturbing sound Mukong di nama maintenance, Pat my ski and kadi 2kc mahon katakom glakad sa village Miza, ang hallway din mahom dilamska unfinished. Okay, CIA for overnight stay, very cheap and comfy place salub mismo in unit. Ska mabilis and kazeping host. Thanks. Very good, would be better if a dining table is available. Very good, clean and near the metro. Very good. Wi-Fi is not working most of the time during our stay and check in as early as possible cause the building is a bit scary at night. And it's a nice and cozy place, room is super clean,